In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check your laptop's battery health. And this will work on Windows 10, Windows 11, even Windows 7, Windows 8, and I imagine even future versions of Windows as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video here, guys. Starts with powercfg. I want you to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit and paste that in. So you can see that it has saved it to this file path here. You can just highlight over this, or you can go through File Explorer. It doesn't really matter. But I'm just going to highlight it with my mouse and then tap Control-C on my keyboard. I'm going to open up the search menu. I'm going to paste it in. And then looks like it's going to load it up in Microsoft Edge. Could do Notepad too, it doesn't really matter, but I think there's some HTML content in here, so that's why it's probably better to load it up in Microsoft Edge. But anyway, you can see the full battery report listed here. Very straightforward, tells you what the situation is, battery usage, as well as the capacity history, how long it was fully charged for and what it was designed for. So I'm on a desktop environment, so it's not going to really do me much good, but in your case, it should give you a good amount of details in here. And that's pretty much it. Really nothing much more to say than that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.